So I'm calling about dash cams and wanted to see what you guys thought about them. Online, they range anywhere from $29 to $179. All kinds of features, one more complicated. Just wanted to see how some of these things play in the event of an accident.
We like dash cams. You're correct that you can get a dash cam very inexpensively. You can pop a very large storage card in it, and you just start running video. What we see is incredible information about how a wreck occurred. It is good, admissible evidence in these cases. So long as you're not the one causing the wreck, it's great. The difference between the dash cams that I find is the $29 dash cam likely isn't going to let you see the numbers on the license plate of the other vehicle. That might be a small thing, but better dash cams with better video quality allow that. Beyond that, the other features of the dash cam I'm not as concerned about, so long as it shoots video and we can tell what happened in the wreck. So I think dash cams are a great idea. They make it very clear how a wreck occurred. You'll see dash cam videos out of other countries where I think some of our videos of meteorites and comets are as a result of some Russian driver in a big rig running video on his dash cam. Much more prevalent in other countries than it seems to be here. Many 18-wheeler drivers currently run video. I run video in my personal vehicle, so I recommend it.
Great. Well, thank you for that information. I'll get into the shopping mode then. Keep up the good work, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.